Hi, fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account. A lot of you are asking me if uh, uh, me as a necrologist practitioner in the whole world, uh, am I affected in what we call the latest trend in 2024 called artificial intelligence or AI? Okay, my answer is no, we are not affected. Why? We are not affected in artificial intelligence in my own opinion and from my own mouth due to the fact that artificial intelligence is more on robotics, meaning they are more than humans. So meaning their IQ, me as a human, and IQ as a robot is not equal. Yes, they are smarter, although they are only machines. Me, as a human, it's a big difference. So my answer is no. We are not affected. So meaning I'm not the only one, but the whole world. Because actually, artificial intelligence is more on robotics, machineries, meaning it's not operated by human. Me as a human is speaking in this video, so I am not a machine. Okay, so that's it. No, the answer is no. We are not affected in artificial intelligence. Even in other necrologists, practitioners, they are not affected. So my answer is no. We are not affected in artificial intelligence. So this video will learn a lesson a lot, and this will catch up attention. Thank you for listening. Good morning.